Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you about teeth whitening, its advantages and disadvantages. Everyone aspires to have a smile that is whiter and brighter. The presence of external stains and the internal hue of the tooth combine to give it its color. The external discoloration has several causes like using tobacco products including smoking, the use of tin and iron salts or chlorhexidine mouthwash, red wine, black tea and coffee, sports beverages, colored drinks such as sodas, and foods with color. Internal discoloration, that is, tooth discoloration from within, may be caused by early childhood medications, childhood illness or infection, and trauma to the tooth. External discoloration can be treated using dental whitening pastes and by professional cleaning and polishing. Internal discoloration may require expert bleaching to achieve the same or greater level of tooth whiteness. There are several methods for removing stains, and the four most popular tooth whitening procedures are: first, in-office whitening. An in-office whitening treatment can be advantageous because it works rapidly and the whitening result may remain longer. You may just need one or few sessions to whiten your teeth. This is due to the higher concentration of hydrogen peroxide in the applied product than in the product you use at home. If you have receding gums or cracks in your teeth, in-office treatment are recommended. Your dentist may also utilize light when applying the whitening substance to your teeth to speed up the procedure. But this additional method is not always proven beneficial. Second is at-home treatment through your dentist. Dentists can also assist you in whitening your teeth at home. Your dentist may be able to make custom fit trays for your mouth. To whiten your teeth, you will add a gel to it and wear the tray for 30 minutes to 1 hour per day, as prescribed by your dentist for a few weeks. Third is teeth whitening products and other at-home options. You can also buy over-the-counter, that is OTC whitening products. Unlike products provided by a dentist, these products contain no or very little carbamide peroxide, that is hydrogen peroxide. This means that if your teeth are internally discolored, OTC teeth whiteners may not work as well or may take longer to whiten your teeth. When using an OTC product, always follow the manufacturer's recommendations. And some of these products include: first, whitening toothpastes. Rather than using carbamide peroxide, whitening toothpastes target the surface of your teeth with a variety of ingredients including abrasives and the chemical blue covarin. Whitening toothpastes may take time to work, but those containing blue covarin may be effective after just one brush because the chemical causes your teeth to appear whiter. Whitening strips. You can also buy over-the-counter whitening strips for your teeth. These contain less hydrogen peroxide than the professional procedures. You apply them to your teeth once or twice a day for the duration specified by the manufacturer. The fourth most common whitening procedure is porcelain veneers. Because of intrinsic discoloration or deep staining, some teeth will not react to typical whitening treatments. Porcelain veneers can be an excellent alternative in such situations. These thin sheets of porcelain, which are custom made and then bonded over the surface of your teeth, give you a dazzling white grin that appears quite natural. Let's now see the advantages of teeth whitening. First is improved appearance. This is the most popular reason for having your teeth whitened. You can have brighter and whiter smile by whitening your teeth. It can help lighten stains that are caused by smoking, eating, or drinking certain beverages. The second advantage is improved self-confidence. Whiter teeth are more attractive, so teeth whitening can boost your confidence, allowing you to go about your personal and professional life with pride. Third advantage is that it's safe. Teeth whitening is also safe for your teeth and gums if done correctly or by a professional. It is also worth mentioning that some over-the-counter products may be harmful to your teeth and gums. So, it is recommended that you consult with your dentist about the best whitening kit to be used. If at all feasible, have your teeth whitened by a dentist. Fourth advantage is that it gives immediate result. At-home whitening kits are easy to use and produce significant results after a few treatments. But the professional teeth whitening can produce noticeable result as soon as a day after the treatment. Let's now see the disadvantages of teeth whitening. It is unlikely that you'll have any negative effect if you visit your dentist about the best whitening treatment for your teeth and properly follow the directions. Any medical procedure, however, has the potential for negative effects, and following are a few common side effects of teeth whitening. First is dental sensitivity. Bleaching agents are likely to induce tooth sensitivity, which may be worsened if you already have sensitive teeth. Nevertheless, sensitive teeth are usually transient and can be controlled with alternate treatments or by limiting the number of treatments in a particular time. The second disadvantage is gum irritation. Strong bleaching agents might cause inflammation by burning the soft tissue of your gums. Fortunately, such effects will fade away within a few days. The third disadvantage is that it doesn't work on all teeth. In young children, brown, grey, and black discoloration caused by injury, medicine, or overexposure to fluoride may not react well to tooth whitening. And crowns, fillings, and dental veneers also do not whiten properly. The fourth disadvantage is that it is temporary. Teeth whitening is not a permanent therapy with results lasting from a few months to a year. And if you continue with your pre-whitening lifestyle, then the discoloration or stains will return. At last, I would say teeth whitening is considered safe as long as you use dentist approved methods. Keep in mind that the time it takes to properly whiten your teeth depends on the type of discoloration you have and the procedure you use. Always follow the product's instructions. If you have any side effects, do contact your dentist. So that's all for now. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.